What you need is your phone, this Armour case, and maybe one pin if the case is very jammed. What you need to do is just take this out from here slowly. If you can't get this out from the wedges, what you need to do is to use a pin to point it out over here and remove it slowly. This way you can remove the case very easily. Now remove the case, this rubber case, and then you need to remove from the hinges and put your phone inside, lock it up. You will hear the click sound and put it back. Make sure you fit it properly so no dust can go in. This is ready. Thank you.